Alright guys, so tomorrow I'm taking the truck on its maiden voyage for, I guess not maiden, but long distance voyage to my hometown, and there's a car show. We're meeting up with my dad, and he's gonna put my other car, which I haven't shown you guys yet, and I'll show you that tomorrow. And nice long sleeve shirt, turtleneck, because mosquitoes are out. But I got a few things to do. One of them being putting the gauges that I got that are kind of crucial back in the truck. And then also I made a battery hold down. I'll show you there. Before this maiden voyage, I want to make sure to strap this battery down. So I just made some makeshift bracket for now. Probably use it actually. My original idea was to have a cover over it eventually, kind of like this, but that'll work for now. So I've got my front Dodge emblem here, and I was going to see if I can powder coat it. It's plastic, but I saw online where you can just put the powder on and then heat it with a heat gun, so we're going to try that. Alright, so I'm going to heat the part first with the heat gun, which I've had some trouble with, and sure enough, it's not working. And then once I heat the part up, put a little bit of powder on it, and we'll see what happens. Probably should find a cleaner surface, by the way. I'm just lazy. I'm living on the edge here too. Go.
Neglecting to live my life, it's what I was told. Better leave before you get old. The memories from my youth worth more than money and gold. Leave those things that will hold you back. You should head out down the road, traveling past what you already know. Seem like you know a lot, but you have so much left to learn. Don't end up like me, wondering what if I left. I'm taking a chance with my only regret. You'll be one less mile away from finding yourself.
Trying to beat the rain. Come with me as I take you on a little trip to Mound City. Population roughly 800. Not much to see, but I like this GoPro angle, by the way. Pulling into the car show, we quickly realized that this was going to be a major event. Or is it? There were some cool cars there, though. See if I can make this look like it's bigger than it is. Yeah. Oh yeah?
Hey, man.
Get your shit a Chevelle.
Well, but that's what you get when you wear those anyway.
Are they just 13?
Oh, that's something. Jeez. And the old classics. Oh yeah.
Well, the world will say careers are what should come first, but you have your whole life left to work.
That looks like my fuel gauge is working. Never thought it worked. I think my wheel or something is out of balance. But this used to be a farm truck, the original donor truck. And I'm wondering if they just didn't balance the front wheels or the wheels that they had on it. So I'll have to check that out. I made it home. AC's on full blast, keeping me cold. Fuel level, it's gone down 16th. Roughly, maybe a little more. All the other gauges are holding true. Looks good. Should have went and filled it up and see how much my fuel mileage is. I might do that tomorrow.
Yeah, another mile away, till I found myself.
Look who's home. I like the truck.
Loud.
Oh, you like the truck? Did get some sun today. It's pretty hot, 95, 96 I think, and air conditioning works good, so that's a plus. It is awfully loud on high speed fan mode though, but the only thing I really think needs fixed on it is the vibration. I think I got a wheel, something out of balance or something not right on it. And I noticed it from this side, so it looks like they are balanced. I just need to double check it. Maybe something else is wrong. I know there's some front end work that needs to be done. I want to update the front end steering linkage. But other than that, thing drove good. happy 4 months.